Is it time to buy or sell Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Ostin Technology Group Company Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since April 23, 2025, our system has ranked Ostin Technology Group Company Limited as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.06. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 128.71% since we first listed Ostin Technology Group Company Limited as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This translates to an average return of 6.44% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 65.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 45.36% to 65.71%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 408.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 18.53% to 314.90% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $5.67 and $19.83. Our latest daily update for Ostin Technology Group Company Limited includes the headline, Ostin Technology Group Company Limited, stock price increased 4.14% on Tuesday. The stock price of Ostin Technology Group Company Limited rose 4.14% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, moving up from $4.59 to $4.78. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues, or if a slight pause is on the horizon over the next few days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.64%, with a low of $4.45 and a high of $4.79. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 60.13% over the past 2 weeks. However, trading volume decreased on the last day by 265,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8,620,000. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $4.84, while the lowest stood at 16 cents. Currently, the price is 1.24%, or 6 cents, below the 52-week high, and 90%, or $43.01, below the all-time high reached on the 28th of April, 2022, when the price soared to $47.79. OS Therapies has recently made significant strides with its immunotherapy candidate, OST HER2, expanding its market to canine osteosarcoma through the formation of OS Animal Health. This new subsidiary aims to capture a market opportunity exceeding $150 million, enhancing OST's revenue prospects. Positive results from recent studies show that OST HER2 can effectively prevent amputation in dogs, indicating its potential as a frontline therapy not only in veterinary medicine, but also for human applications, opening the doors for lucrative future markets. In addition to its veterinary advancements, OST Therapies secured a United States patent for its proprietary manufacturing methods related to OST HER2, ensuring commercial exclusivity until the year 2040. This protection strengthens its competitive position and can bolster investor confidence. Furthermore, OST's proactive engagement with the Food and Drug Administration on seeking breakthrough therapy designation could accelerate the approval process for its human applications, a factor that could significantly boost the stock in the long term. As these developments unfold, they are expected to positively influence OST's stock price, with immediate impacts possibly realized through increased investor interest and long-term growth prospects driven by successful commercialization and regulatory advancements. Overall, OST is positioning itself strategically, setting the stage for potentially explosive growth in both veterinary and human oncology markets. Analysts have assigned the Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. The Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $4.51 and $2.74. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 498.02%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a buy opportunity 26 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 47 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 21 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average signaled a buy opportunity 26 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 16 days ago. For further signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $4.56. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating a high level of volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 34 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 7.64%. Additionally, throughout the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 7.99%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited encounters its first support level at $4.56. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.64, reflecting a decrease of 2.86%. This stock experiences significantly high daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 82, further elevating the risk factor. A buy signal has been indicated from a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock a good buy? Ostin Technology Group Company Limited displays several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a promising option at these levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we expect Ostin Technology Group Company Limited to open lower by approximately 10.7 cents, starting trading at $4.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.